In this video, I'll go through a quick example on mesh currents. So let's assume we have a simple resistive circuit that looks like the one that I'm showing to the right here. And I would like to calculate current I1, I2, and I3. So by looking at the direction of each current, so for instance, let's start with I2. So I2 is flowing in the same direction as the 30 amp source, so I2 is just 30 amps. I3 is flowing the same direction as the 5 amp source, so I3 is 5 amps. For I1, so I1 here is 10 times V1 minus I2, so I have to do some math here. So the first thing is write let's see. So if I do Ohm's law for this 5 ohm resistor here, so the voltage V1 divided by resistance is equal to current that flows through that resistance. So V1 divided by, that's what I'm doing here, V1 divided by 5 ohms is equal to the current that flows basically in this direction. And that current is I3 minus I1. So that's what I'm writing here. I can rewrite this as V1 is equal, basically I multiplied both sides by 5. So V1 is equal to 5 times I3 minus 5 times I1. And I call this equation 1. Then I can write another equation here around this current here, dependent current source. So this current here, 10 times V1, is equal to I1 minus I2. So that's what I wrote here. And I called it equation 2. So if I substitute equation 1 in equation 2, so 10 times V1, and I just replace V1 with this quantity here. And I kept kind of simplifying it to what I get. I1 is equal to 50 times I3 plus I2 divided by 51. Then if I3 is just 5 and I2 is 30, so if I plug in the numbers, I get I1 is equal to 5.49 amps. So I answered all the unknown, or I found all the unknown currents, I1, I2, I3. Thank you and have a great day.